Today's journey towards the KFC tenders begins in the serene environment of this amazing poultry house, which is located in the United States. Being KFC's biggest supplier, these farms are not just places where chickens are raised, they are carefully designed spaces dedicated to the well-being of the birds. Automatic dispensers play a key role in maintaining the chicken's health. Fresh, clean water is always available thanks to these dispensers. In spacious barns, chickens are given room to roam freely, unlike the cramped conditions found in some other farming setups. This freedom is crucial because a stress-free environment helps the chickens grow healthy and robust. Once the chickens are deemed ready for collection, modern collecting machines arrive at the farms. These machines are somewhat like large vacuum systems but with a gentle touch. Instead of sucking up the chickens roughly, they handle them with great care. Once collected, the chickens are placed into clean, secure crates. These crates are specifically designed to ensure the safety and comfort of the chickens during their journey. This helps reduce stress and keeps them calm throughout the trip. Upon arrival at the processing plant, the chickens are unloaded with the same care and attention they receive throughout their journey. The unloading process is handled by experienced workers who use a bunch of conveyor belts and understand the importance of gentle handling. The focus remains on maintaining their health and safety, which is crucial for producing high-quality products. The processing plant is a marvel of modern technology, designed to handle large volumes of chickens while ensuring efficiency and precision. As the chickens travel along the conveyor belt, they pass through a stunning machine. This machine is designed to render the chickens unconscious in a way that is both quick and painless. One of the most important steps in the processing plant is ensuring the chickens are treated humanely. This commitment to humane treatment reflects the industry's focus on animal welfare. The chickens then move to the feather removal stage, where a specialized machine removes all the feathers. One of the first steps involves separating the chicken feet from the rest of the body. After the feet are removed, the chickens move on to the next stage, where their internal sections are cleaned out. Once the internal cleaning is complete, the chickens are thoroughly washed. The washing process takes place in a pool of water that also uses high-pressure water jets to remove any remaining blood or impurities. With the chickens dried, the next stage involves cutting them into various parts, keeping the breast pieces for KFC tenders processing, as they are known for their juicy tenderness. The rest of the chicken is also cut into pieces and collected for further selling purposes. Before making cuts to the breast pieces, the abrasive roller pins conveniently remove the skin from the breast piece, so you never have to compromise on taste and quality. Specialized machines are used to make precise cuts, separating the breast from the rest of the chicken. These machines are designed to handle the chicken gently while ensuring that each cut is clean and accurate. The breast pieces are cut from the bony parts of the chicken, which are handled separately. Once the chicken breasts are separated, they are carefully collected. Now, the breast pieces are placed into drum rollers. This part of the process is designed to make the chicken breasts even juicier. The drum rollers gently tumble the chicken pieces, allowing them to lock in moisture and enhance the overall tenderness of the chicken. After the drum rollers, the chicken pieces move to the sorting stage, where they are manually placed on running belts, more like sieves. These sieves allow experts to inspect each piece carefully to ensure that the chicken is safe to eat. The pieces are then sprayed with a solution responsible for removing any harmful bacteria from the surface. The spray helps reduce the risk of contamination and ensures that the chicken is clean and ready. Once the chicken pieces are thoroughly cleaned, they are coated with flour to add a delicious texture to the chicken and help create a crispy coating when fried. Importantly, no artificial ingredients are used in this flour coating. The flour-covered pieces are then transported on shaker or vibrating belts, which ensure that the coating is applied evenly and that the pieces are aligned in a uniform shape. This partial frying locks in the tenderness and juiciness of the chicken while giving it a golden brown color and a crisp texture on the outside. Cheese cubes are a popular snack and ingredient in many dishes, prized for their gooey, melty centers and crispy coatings when fried. The battered cheese cubes are passed through a bed of breadcrumbs in an automatic machine. These machines not only increase efficiency but also ensure consistency and quality in the final product. By automating the process, manufacturers can produce large quantities of cheese cubes with perfect coatings every time. From mixing ingredients to packaging the final product, every step is designed to create patties that are not only delicious but also made with remarkable efficiency. Carrying the capacity of 1,500 liters at a time, they can literally cope with bigger projects, producing more than 100,000 patties every day. Check out that pretty smooth process to package the burger patties to avoid inconvenience. Enjoying that burger crunch or dreaming right now? Either way, you need to complete that fast food party with chicken nuggets. Even if you don't like those crispy and juicy chicken nuggets, you got to watch this video, it may trigger some taste buds in you. For that appealing golden brown appearance, the nuggets are fried for around 70%, so they will be almost ready when you place your order in restaurants. Automation like this becomes even more fascinating when they give a touch of love and care. Here, two sorts of nuggets are being made, and if you ask me, both are something delicious enough to die for. Freshly harvested potatoes arrive at the factory, where the chosen potatoes are gently loaded onto a conveyor belt. This belt carries them smoothly into the heart of the washing area, where a steady stream of water showers over them. This stage is important in maintaining the potatoes' hygiene and ensuring they are free from any contaminants that could compromise their quality. After the initial rinse, the potatoes enter a brushing and scrubbing phase. Here, soft brushes mounted on rotating cylinders gently massage the potato skins. Once thoroughly washed, the clean potatoes proceed to a drying stage, which is typically a 2-in-1 process, meaning they keep on drying while moving to the next stage. Naturally, while moving ahead towards the further processing, it becomes obvious what else it could be. Potatoes enter the automatic peeling station, where abrasive rollers gently remove their skins so they can be moved to these big choppers, which literally cut the potatoes into uniform chunks. This factory is multitasking because it doesn't only prepare potatoes for silky smooth mashed potatoes but also processes various forms of potatoes for dozens of cuisines. For example, here, the special cutters have cut the potatoes into wedge shapes, making potato wedges hassle-free. Some of the peeled potatoes are sent for further examination, where a bunch of experts pass the good quality potatoes to be cut into halves and packed immediately. Yes, because we can't wait any longer to show you the satisfying process of making mashed potatoes in bulk. To prepare the creamiest and most flavorful mashed potatoes, these experts are boiling the potatoes right on the spot. In many households, like mine, where spare time is an issue, already boiled potatoes, boiled a day or two before, used to make mashed potatoes quickly. But these experts never compromise on their crown-worthy taste. When the potatoes are perfectly boiled, the unnecessary water is drained, and the steamy hot potatoes get their special oil treatment in a smooth blender. As the main character of this dish, the potatoes are blended continuously while butter is added bit by bit, giving them a thorough and creamy texture. To make the mashed potatoes even creamier and dreamier, a specific amount of milk is poured in and mixed all over again. This process gives the mashed potatoes a smooth texture and that perfect consistency that makes you crave more. And there you have it, the superheroes of the dish have gone through their ultimate transformation, ready to be served as a delicious creamy side dish or even as the main dish, depending on your taste. Never underestimate even the smallest element, whether it's a simple gesture or a machine like this nozzle, which ensures an equal quantity of mashed potatoes in every batch. It was truly a team effort. But we don't stop here, there's a lot more excitement to watch, so stick with us. One of the famous international frozen pizza companies is on a mission to create the most delicious pizza ever. It all starts with smooth and fluffy dough, which is balled up and spread neatly across thousands of pizza pans for quick and partial baking. Meanwhile, the pizza sauce is being prepared and evenly spread over the baked dough by automated machines, eliminating the need for manual help. Since cheese can go bad quickly, experts check its quality beforehand. If it meets the standards, the crushers shred entire blocks of cheese, which is then sprinkled over thousands of pizzas to achieve the perfect texture. Additional cheese slices are neatly placed on top, followed by other sauces and ingredients, preparing the pizzas for immediate freezing. Finally, the pizzas are covered with a transparent food sheet and packed into boxes to keep them fresh and preserved. These machines work tirelessly, without expecting any appreciation, but they definitely deserve it, right? So hit the like button to support these incredible robotic machines that ensure the perfect outcome every time. Now, just check out how this ordinary-looking dough transforms into perfect buns with the push of a button. This entire automation process requires no manual labor. Once the dough is balled up and placed in dedicated pans, the fluffy dough balls are left for a couple of minutes to rise again. A vacuum then blows off extra crumbs to give them a neat finish. When the buns are perfectly baked, they are ready to be dressed. Look at those nozzles pouring out delicious jam on each half, creating a mouth-bursting flavor experience. Let's indulge in the golden sweetness of honey candies, where each bite offers the pure taste of honey. The process begins with blending pure honey and other required ingredients. Super smart rollers then transform the mixture into a thick, delightful consistency which is kneaded thoroughly. The smooth and rich texture is mesmerizing as the machines continuously knead the candy material without taking a break, ensuring it perfectly meets the standards. A small automated machine ensures each candy gets the perfect shape and cut. As the candies move through the production line, quality control sensors monitor each piece, checking for consistency in size, shape, and texture. Once the candies have cooled and set, they are transferred to the wrapping machine, which packages them in protective wrappers to keep them fresh and prevent sticking. Each pack holds around 9 candies, loved worldwide for their pure taste and eye-catching packaging. The candies are then boxed using huge packaging machinery, preparing them for shipping. Stop messing with your sweet tooth. Remember, not everything sweet is worth tasting. So, grab only your favorite honey-topped biscuits, which are rich in taste and super affordable. Let me know when you find one. Jelly Belly candies are true gummy candies, crispy on the outside with a mouthful of liquid flavor bursting in your mouth as soon as you bite into them. The process starts with mixing the ingredients in a large machine until the blend is just right. Once the mixture is ready, machines pour it into molds to shape the candies. After cooling, the candies are removed from the molds and spun in a special machine to ensure the perfect size, shape, and texture. This method produces tons of candies, allowing for a variety of flavors to enjoy. With so many different options, there's a Jelly Belly for every mood, ensuring everyone finds their favorite. They take snacking to the next level, offering endless flavor possibilities. From fruity to sweet and everything in between, you'll never get bored. These candies turn every snack into a fun journey where you can discover your new favorite flavor with every bite. When it comes to comparing super smart machines with human hands, robotic machines take the cake. They work faster, more precisely, and more efficiently. Right now, these machines are helping create thousands of baked crusts ready to be filled with sweet and savory sauces for bakeries and restaurants. Loads of fresh meat are brought in and fed into a super-fast chopping machine, which cuts it all into equal-sized pieces and packs them neatly into cans. Each tin is sealed tightly with a cover and labeled using robotic hands in minimal time. Creating perfect and smooth dough is a challenging task for human hands. However, for a magical machine, shaping it into equal-sized pieces is effortless. Making waffles is no big deal. As soon as the dough is ready and the balls are prepared, they undergo a smooth waffle-making process. The machine rolls them up while baking them at the same time to ensure no additional time is wasted. The result is just delightful. In today's busy world, sandwiches are considered the perfect meal. Just pair one with a cup of coffee or tea for an easy energy boost. Advanced machinery prepares these sandwiches automatically, taking less time than you can imagine while packing a full energy punch. Different fruit flavors become uniquely delicious when enjoyed in various ways. Transforming amazing juice and fresh fruit flavors into sweet delights like candies is a breeze for robotic machines. Advanced machinery ensures these flavors remain smooth and their textures consistent, making the taste incredibly delicious and enhanced. Robotic machines cut, shape, and create perfectly equal-sized candies in bulk in the blink of an eye. The candies are then wrapped in beautiful, eye-catching wrappers, ready to be enjoyed. Watch this video to see how a bunch of machines make the perfect donut-shaped sponge cakes, which are later topped and dipped into creamy, rich chocolate. Each donut is uniformly crafted and beautifully finished. To enhance the creamy flavor, a drizzle of chocolate syrup is added on top to make every bite a delightful experience. Once finished, they move on to the next process. Here's how sushi goes from a simple idea to the delicious rolls you love. Let's explore the world of sushi, where rice meets seaweed and every roll tells a story. It all starts with the star of the show, rice. First, workers scoop up high-quality sushi rice and put the stock through sieves to ensure only the best grains make it to your plate. Next, the rice is soaked in water to get the perfect texture for sushi. In this step, the rice pots are prepared, and automated processes make everything simple. Large machines cook the rice in big batches, ensuring every grain is properly rinsed multiple times until the water runs clear. A little bit of vinegar and oil is added to bring out the perfect taste. The pots are then placed over stoves where machines use precise temperature controls and timing to cook the rice perfectly every time. These machines even check the right moisture and consistency. The rice is steamed and cooked until soft and fluffy, making it just right for sushi rolls. Garnishing it with a little oil helps to ensure it moves smoothly during the process. The rice is gently stirred so that every grain gets coated with seasoning, making it stick together just right. Once seasoned, the rice is cooled to the perfect temperature for rolling. With everything ready, it's time to assemble the sushi rolls. The machine spreads the seasoned rice onto a conveyor belt while workers carefully place meats and vegetables on top. From fresh, crisp vegetables to seaweed and other selected ingredients, everything is lined up for the next step. The precise placement of these ingredients is crucial to ensuring that every sushi roll has a balanced flavor and texture. Finally, the rice and filling are rolled up to create the delicious sushi rolls. This is all done with the help of rolling machines, which perfectly shape the sushi sheets. Just look at those enormous sushi rolls, aren't they mouth-watering? This was an incredibly satisfying process to witness. The workers then cover the sushi rolls with seaweed sheets and feed them into a machine that slices the large rolls into bite-sized pieces. The ready-to-eat rolls are now all set to be packed into special packaging, which seals them to keep them fresh. Now, let's set off on a tasty journey into the production of your favorite snack, kimbap. Workers carefully mix spicy sauces with freshly cooked rice, giving the kimbap its unique kick. The rice is stirred with precision to ensure every grain is evenly coated with a zesty, spicy goodness. After getting its spicy makeover, the rice is spread evenly by machines and topped with meat, sauces, or other preferred ingredients. To add crunch and color, additional toppings are included. This is exactly how kimbap gets its signature triangular shape, making it easy to grab and even easier to enjoy. Each piece is carefully cut to ensure it is the perfect size for a delicious bite. The neatly cut kimbap pieces are then placed into individual packs. Each pack is sealed tightly to keep the kimbap fresh and flavorful. And that's how your favorite kimbap packs make it to your plate. By subscribing, you'll stay updated with the latest tales, insights, and inspirations from various expeditions around the globe. Don't miss out on the chance to be part of a community that cherishes exploration and discovery.